Refugee camps in Rwanda are among areas which were mostly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, especially that they were densely populated. Equipment including loudspeakers, power generators, and other aids to help in the prevention of the spread of COVID-19, such as face masks, hand sanitizers, volunteer clothing, and billboards, all valued at 60 million Rwandan francs, is a donation that the International Organization for Migration handed over to Prison Fellowship Rwanda. The communication officer at the IOM, Mabosa Ivin Amokelani, says the equipment will be used to spread the information about the COVID-19 pandemic, and other equipment will help in preventing the spread of the virus in refugee camps.
Yeah, of course. There's a lot of, in the refugee camp, there's a lot of misinformation about COVID-19, obviously. And also, so it's important to have this kind of equipment to spread the messages and to make sure that people are safe and they are educated about COVID-19. And also, not just for COVID-19, this material will go beyond COVID-19, even post-COVID-19. It can be used for other diseases, for example, Ebola or anything.
The Deputy Executive Director of Prison Fellowship Rwanda, Ntwari Jean-Paul, says the equipment are crucial to refugees in the fight against COVID-19, which will help the organization attain its mission to fight the spread of COVID-19 and other pandemics like Ebola. As you know, refugees live in congested areas, which is like one home, with very many people, approximately 17,000. Mostly, it's us who help them to know what to do and what not to do, considering the situation we are in. I think the equipment will help us to reach as many refugees as possible easily. Together with other partners, the target we have in fighting the spread of this virus in refugee camps. The energy invested in wasn't in vain because we didn't have many cases in refugee camps. He also assured that those tools will not only help in the fight against COVID-19, but also other problems faced by refugees will be solved as there will be an easier prevention campaign. These equipment will as well help us to eradicate some of the problems faced by refugees, including drug abuse, informing them about the laws that govern them so that they can abide by them, plus other problems like diseases affecting refugees in general. The equipment is expected to be distributed immediately to all refugee camps in Rwanda. Martina Ebera, RTV News.